Hey everyone, this is Keshav Gamer. Well, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna decrypt a post data in burp switch and whatever. So as you can see, is a URL I highlighted, the green one. Okay, so I click on the green one. Okay, and here's a post data, so I'm gonna highlight it. So coming from here, as you can see, if I choose whatever, it does not decrypt this. Okay, so this is some weird thing. So what should I do? I highlight the whole thing, I right click, send to decoder. Okay, and now you're gonna click on decoder tab, and right here you're gonna click on decode as gzip, and voila, here it is, guys. It has been successfully decoded. Now you can select all, copy this, and continue with your work. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Yeah, as you can see, I highlighted all the API, okay, for the teslamotors.com Tesla iOS app. Okay, yes, I am doing the config for Tesla. Thanks so much for watching, guys.